This is the story of Leopold. Leopold was a man that just kept to himself, loved his gardening. One day, while tending to his garden, he noticed and thought that he heard something very peculiar. It scared Leopold. He became shocked and somewhat unaware of what was going on. He noticed something was talking to him. Could it be? Could it be these plants are crying out for help? This little banana pepper? Leopold did what came natural. He responded to the plants and the vegetables, to the banana plant, who was sad, to the bell pepper plant, who thought that he would never be able to be ringing out like his true calling. Leopold was astounded at this new gift and said, "I could change the world." He started counseling all types of creatures, cats, but not everyone was happy with Leopold's counsel. Some were angered and very mad. Leopold gave very good counsel. He was very frank and to the point, and many loved his counsel.
It's okay. It's okay. You do not have to celebrate in Halloween if it's against your beliefs. I know. You are better than just having a wicked face cut into you and being sat on the porch and rotting and to be tossed into the garbage. I know there's no fulfillment.
Leopold went out of his way to counsel young creatures, many times even putting his life in danger.
It's okay. I understand that your husband's a bird brain. It's going to be all right. I know he's an egghead. I know he's got you cooped up and you live in a nest all day and you do the best you can, but it's going to be all right. Don't fly the coop. Please don't fly the coop. You're still a hot chick. You have little chicklings too. What about Easter when you have the marshmallow? I know you're stressed, but it's time for our session to end. I know, and I'm very expensive with the bird seed, but I don't want to charge you more than you can afford. Take the counseling that you've been given and just go back to your nest and be the bird that God has created you to be. And you have a wonderful day. Fly away.
Leopold was very proud of his new gift.